and welcome back to Always Dolls. Today we'll be unboxing the Our Generation Soup of the Day set. I found this set at our local Kmart, and in the set there's one red pot, one tomato, one yellow capsicum, one carrot, one onion, a ladle and a pair of oven mitts. Let's unbox it! Let's take a look at each piece. First up, we're gonna look at the red pot. This is a normal pot with a little silver ring around it, and it's made out of a hard plastic. Here is the pot lid, and it's the same color as the pot with a black handle. Here is the pair of oven mitts, and they're a pink plaid with a hot pink little trim. And I've tried them on my doll and they don't fit her hand. Here is the ladle. There's a little scratch on the pink part of the paint and it matches the oven mitts. Here's our carrot. Looks like a normal carrot. 10 out of 10. This is our onion. And it has 2 tones of green on its little leaf. Here's our tomato. I wish the tomato red was more vibrant instead of the dull red that it has. Here's our capsicum, and it also just looks like a normal capsicum. This is an overview of the whole set, and I really like it. And it's a very high quality with all its plastic and etc. But I would wish that the oven mitts and the ladle would match the pot and be red instead of it's pink, or the pot be pink instead of red. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to tune in next time for more miniature crafting fun. Bye!